Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So as you can probably tell, I am filming outside. It's beautiful. I want to say it's like 80 degrees. So you will hear all my little friends in the background. There are doves like crazy out here with me. So there's nothing I can do about it. So I hope you enjoy my little nature filming. So today I have my Goldie box. I guess this would be the fall box. This is a quarterly subscription, I guess lifestyle box. And it is curated by Jessica. She does have a channel, her own YouTube channel, and I will link her channel below. I believe it's called Everything Proof Beauty. And she is such a great influencer. So her channel will be linked below. And she puts these boxes out quarterly, and then you get to pick from several items to put in your box. And there are, I think, 4 boxes that you can choose from. There is the Bronze Bear, which is $29.99 a quarter. And then we have the Silver Bear, which is $44.99 a quarter. And then there's the Gold Bear, which is what I received, which is $59.99 a quarter. And then there's the Surprise Bear, which is $21.99 a quarter. And what's nice is before the next box comes out, she releases the spoilers, like one at a time, which is going to be in that box. So if it's like, you know what, there's nothing that really caught my fancy in this box, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this one. You can go ahead and skip it and pick up on the next one. So I think that's really great that you can do that. So let's get into the box. And I think that includes the shipping. So I think I pay like, you know, roughly $60-something with the tax. And this is how it comes. And I haven't watched any spoilers yet. I know several YouTubers received their boxes, and I had to try so hard not to watch their boxes. So once I film mine, now I can go back and watch everybody's. And we have the paper. And of course, I didn't bring any garbage out here. The birds might help me with that. And then there's the packing label, and it says 2 brush sets, okay, usually only 1 per brand, Jess. So I'm not sure if that's good or bad. So I'll take it, whatever. And again, she gives the best customer service. And the first thing, and I thought we got a brochure with everything that's in here, but I don't see one. But all I can tell you is this box smells amazing. And the first thing I'm gonna take out, and I don't remember, it's by Pure Cosmetics. So you guys having a great day. I know I am filming on Halloween, and I'm hopefully gonna get this posted today. So I know they had a lot of Halloween events over the weekend. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm gonna show you what my 4-month-old granddaughter went as. So she's just too cute, which I'm sure everybody's grandkids are cute. And this is the brush set that she was talking about. Look at how cute. It's a travel brush set. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes in here. Oh my God, this is so cute. And then it's got a zipper compartment. So if you want to put change or even some eye makeup in here. Wow, and it looks like she packed 2. So she must have been talking about that she gave me 2 brush sets. So what does that mean when I get 2 of something? That means one's going to be a giveaway. And if you watch my I'm going to be posting a video tomorrow or the next day, and I'm doing a giveaway for the month of November. So stay tuned for those details, and this will be in that giveaway. And then the next thing that I was excited about is we got shea butter vegan hand masks, and we got 2 of these. And these are by Soon, and I think all the Mask Monday ladies and everybody that does masks already knows this brand. So how exciting is that? And there's more. And then we got this beautiful pumpkin spice bar soap. Okay, this just smells gorgeous. Now, when I get soaps like this, I leave them out for decoration, but I get so many. So I bought those things that have come out that you can stick the soap in there and then kind of wash yourself, and then it kind of like saves the soap so it doesn't get all over and gooey. I have started to use my decorative soaps because I get so many and they smell so good. And this one is no exception. So we have that. And then we have we have by Finchberry the soap saver. I can't remember if I knew that was going to be in here, but I don't know if this is going to fit like the bar or if you just rest it on there. But this is the soap saver. So here we go. You guys can probably smell the soap all the way wherever you live. And then the next item is the Eye Kit Trio by Rachel Couture, and it includes an eyebrow pencil, liquid eyeliner, and mascara. It includes crayon, sourcils, eyeliner, liquid, and mascara. And I am so gonna give this a try. This box is just filled. And then the other thing I was excited to get, and these were choices, so you can pick which one that you wanted. There were like at least two, if not 3 choices per item. And I picked the avocado. Of course, I have to open the avocado. And I'm going to thank my bird friends because they seem to have been kind of quiet since I started filming. I should knock on wood. So did any of you dress up for Halloween? I've seen on like Facebook and Instagram that several of you did great Halloween makeup. This is what my avocado is. Now, there's colors in here, like this one, that would not really go with how I put on my makeup. This would be like one of those that would be all over, but it was such a cute palette. So you might see my cute little avocado in a giveaway. So we got the avocado. And there's more. And then we got these. And these are little towels. God, why am I itching? I don't know if I can unwrap them. This is like totally stuck in here. Okay, so we got these cute. And I'm thinking they're like a dish towel. They're just so cute. This one says latte, cappuccino, but I guess they're just like a dish towel. I'll have to see if anybody else got these in their box and they figured it out. So we got this one. Oh my God. And then we got this cute little one. Let's see if it says care instructions. Wash and dry with light colors. Do not use fabric softener. So I guess they're just like little dish towels. And then, oh my God, this thing weighs a ton. Pumpkin spice latte bath bomb. Okay, I wish you guys not only could smell it, but you could lift it. This thing has to weigh at least a pound. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, you could smell the cinnamon in there. It says it weighs 9.5 ounces. Okay, this thing is amazing. I might even try to use it. I have never used like a colored bath bomb or something like this because I'm afraid of what it will do to the tub. If any of you have ever tried like a darker color bath bomb or something with sparkles, let me know what it does to your bathtub. I'm just afraid, you know, obviously most of us have white bathtubs. What will it do to your bathtub? But this is amazing. More items to go. So what are you thinking of this box so far? And then by River Birch, we have an apple cinnamon. And I guess it's a candle. Oh my. It's a candle. And it kind of fell apart a little bit, so I don't want to tip it over too far, but one of these items that you can smell from wherever you live. And I think I might have to go in and burn this in the kitchen. And this was my favorite item of the box. And again, I paid $60 for this box. I think it is well worth the price. And what I've been doing with my boxes, I have a couple, like 2 or 3 new boxes to my channel. And the reason I ordered them is I can take them apart and use them for gifts. I have my mom and my sister that live here in Arizona. And of course, I always give my mom all this stuff and she just loves it. Don't know if she ever really uses it, but she just loves when she gets these gifts. And then of course, I have my daughter in Germany, and what I do is I stash everything. So when she comes in to visit, I can give it to her. And then I have my daughter-in-law in Chicago, and her parents live with them now because of the baby, so I always gift items to them. So I can just dissect all this stuff and just give them like a huge gift box. But there was a choice on this. It's like a wax melt warmer with oil. It comes with oil, but you can put wax melts or whatever. And it came in this color, and then I think it came in a black. And I just thought this was so cute. Now I will be gifting this to myself. So, but like some of these soaps and those are great for gifts. I'm gonna try to take this out without pitching and dropping it on the ground. But I just thought this was so cute. So when I saw this as one of the choices, I'm like, that's it. I am just so getting this box. So it's a wooden holder. And give me a second. This is packaged so nice. And I actually think Jess packages this all herself. And here's the bottom. So you can put a photo, and it doesn't see the oil, but we get so many oils. And then here is the top. So you just put that in like that. And that goes like that. So tell me that is not the cutest little thing ever. So that was my last item, and this is the myriad choice. So just to recap, We got this candle. We got this bath bomb. And if you can please leave me a note, if you've ever tried a bath bomb like this, what does it do to your tub? We got this pumpkin spice soap and the soap saver. We got the mascara eyeliner set. We got these cute little towels. We have our little avocado eyeshadow, 2 hand masks, and then I got 2 brush sets. So one is a giveaway, so one will be yours. Oh, and I can't forget, this candle is to die for. So leave comments below. Tell me if you like this box, what your favorite item is, and again, watch out for the giveaway because it's going to include items, lifestyle items, makeup items from all these boxes that I've been unboxing. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping. Bye. And then don't forget to stay and look at my cute little granddaughter. And you guys, as always, have an awesome day.